right, we go.
Like there. Apparently, it's a occupied node that can't air.
James likes to talk on the CB a lot. Are you ready?
Yeah, it's recording.
Hello, friends. So, today I'm out here with Adrian, who's running the camera, DJ, who's behind me, and you all know him, and my friend James, who's got himself a relatively new Jeep. And we're just taking another run at the top of Prairie Peak, as we, do. It is stupid warm. It's 57 degrees, and it's November, so I don't know what that's about. I was expecting maybe see some snow up here. Kind of not feeling that way. Here's the gravel. But anyway, we're going to top of Prairie Peak. It was pretty wet yesterday. It was, they call it an atmospheric river. For those of you not familiar, that means it's essentially dumping buckets. So we expect to hit some pretty good puddles up here, and see what we can find. We might break through, maybe we'll break through the cloud layer and we'll be able to see the sun, but I don't know, we'll see. So I figured instead of a bunch of clips on the ride up, like I normally do, I just speed it up 20 times. That seems more fun and exciting. Side note, in channel news, we hit 300 subscribers today, so that's kind of exciting for me. I'm gonna have some more channel news at the end of the video, so if that interests you, stick around. Very misty, but warm, super warm, which is nice. So we're at the halfway gravel pit. We're about to go to the top and see what kind of mess we have up there. I expect it's gonna be pretty breezy. Cut.
Actually, I'm tripping out more. This is cool.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, whatever. It's a cloud. You're in it, blah, blah, but it's cool.
It is, yeah. You know what's cool about this when you're in Hawaii is it's fog, right? And it's like this, but it's dry. Oh, so weird. Because it blows like this, it's going this fast. Yeah. Oh yeah, now the part you've all been waiting for. Splashing through puddles. Yeah, it's stupid, but it's really fun. And I'm old enough to know that stupid fun is an important part of life. Holy shit. Don't go down there.
Yeah, so that one wasn't intentional. Here's the view from DJ's camera. It was kind of a big hole over there. I was not expecting a big hole.
He's got his dash cam. I'm wanting that footage. Yeah, that was unexpected. Well, I didn't want to hit the blackberries. So I put it in the ditch on the other side.
I don't want to scratch my truck, so I'm gonna bottom it out.
Right. You know, it's funny because I scratch my truck up all the time, and I'm like, oh, this blackberry's driving. Oh my god. Anyway, my truck seems okay.
We'll find out.
I'm not hearing a hissing sound. That's. Oh man. All right, so we're gonna loop around, go back down, and then we'll go down to LC. Okay.
So we went back down the mountain on the backside. You see I'm pausing here. This is Gunsight Pass. Logically, you would want to take the right-hand turn, but that ends up with you behind a yellow gate and also on a mountain bike course. Ask me how I know. The left route is the correct way, and it used to have a helpful sign, but some dingus decided there shouldn't be a sign, and it's gone now. Anyway, all was going well, and then I decided to be a good citizen and get the stick out of the road.
Don't know it. Nathan's grabbing a stick. Over.
Done.
Then I can go back to my company.
What was that? Oh my god, my window shattered.
What?
My rear window just broke.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, that's...
I don't want to do that.
Well, I don't want it to fall anywhere.
You're gonna have to come in with a vacuum anyway.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
If you have like a piece of paper or something to tape over it, consider that. But otherwise, I wouldn't worry about it.
There's nothing that was impacting with it. This isn't sliding forward.
Yeah, but you were going over those bumps really hard, and it might. Well, I mean, it takes enough time. That might have been the straw.
Yeah.
Like that one really big bump, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, but slamming the
That might have been the giant boulder that broke the camel's back.
Closing the door
Maybe
just
it was already broken.
And then the pressure.
Pushed it out.
Yeah. Well, that's a thing.
So down off the mountain we continued. All sticks in the road were aggressively run over, as clearly they are to blame for my broken window. Interestingly, on the Tacoma, the entire back window needs to be replaced, not just that section. Now this next clip is amazing, and I can't oversell it enough. Are you ready? Are you ready? You ready? Here it comes. It's almost here. It's not here now.
Why did the chicken cross the road? Why you
To the other side.
Was it worth it? Yes. The answer is yes. That chicken made me smile excessively. So I'll give you some channel news, and then you can listen to the winds at the top of the mountain without my blathering. Since I have 300 subscribers now, I figured I should do the stuff that other channels do. I now have a Patreon or Patreon, however you say it. If you would like to give me some gas money or replace GoPros that are at the bottom of a river money, I would graciously accept that. Also, I made a merch store with my logo. There are shirts and bucket hats and socks and other stuff. I just ordered some of it, and it took the better part of a month to get it, so be aware. The holidays are coming. Why not give the gift of random guy on the internet? Anyway, I'll link that below. Like, subscribe, comment, call your mother, and now for your moment of zen. Thanks for watching, friends.